Thank you for joining me for this gentle yoga practice. My name is Jeannie Kelly. To begin, make your way onto your back. We'll start with a few deep breaths. So when you're ready, take a deep breath in through the nose, exhale it out through the mouth with a sigh. And again, a deep breath in through the nose, exhale it out. And one more. Then come back to a regular, easy breath. And now we'll start to warm up the body. So slowly bend one knee at a time. Then hug both knees towards your chest. Holding behind both knees, we'll move the legs with the breath. Starting on an inhale, stretch both legs up, pressing the heels towards the ceiling. As you exhale, bend the knees and hug the knees towards your chest. Again, stretching the legs up, breathe in. Bend the knees towards the chest, breathe out. And a few more times, inhale, heels towards the ceiling. Exhale, knees towards the chest. Keep going on your own. Do the best you can to synchronize the movement with your breath. Inhaling as you stretch the legs up. Exhaling as you bend the knees towards the chest. But if that's ever hard to synchronize movement and breath, don't worry and just keep your breath flowing as you do the movement. And the next time the knees come towards the chest, pause there and rest. Keeping the knees bent, let the feet come to the floor. We'll move into a variation of the bridge pose. Just check your feet are hip distance apart with the heels close towards the hips. Starting on an inhale, lift the hips towards the ceiling. Bring both arms up overhead. Exhale, slowly release hips and arms back down. Again, when you're ready, on an inhale, hips and arms come up. Exhale, release back down. Deep breath in, arms and hips up. Slow breath out, release. Keep going on your own, again trying to synchronize movement and breath. Also taking care of your body, so always moving in a way that feels safe and right for you, leaving out any part of this practice that's not right for your body. And the next time you release hips and arms back down, pause there, take a few breaths and rest. And then hug the knees towards your chest for a counter stretch. Keeping the knees bent, let the feet come to the floor. We'll move into a variation of the reclined bound angle pose. To prepare, bring the bottom of your feet together, let the knees go out to the side. Take a breath in. As you exhale, bring the legs together just an inch or two, stay there for an inhale. And as you exhale, move another inch closer with the legs, so legs are about halfway closed, stay here, breathe in. Breathing out, move another inch closer with the legs, stay there, inhale. Next, exhale, bring the legs all the way together, let the feet adjust so bottom of the feet can come to the floor. We'll run through that again, so starting with the knees wide, bring the bottom of your feet together, prepare with an inhale. Exhale, draw belly muscles in as you bring the legs together, just an inch, stay there, breathe in. Breathing out, move another inch closer with the legs, stay here, inhale. As you exhale, move a little closer with the legs, pause there, breathe in. Next, exhale, bring the legs together, let the bottom of the feet come to the floor. And again like that, we'll start with the knees wide, prepare with an inhale. Exhale, draw belly muscles in, bring the legs together just an inch, stay there, breathe in. Breathing out, move another inch closer, legs are halfway closed, stay, inhale. As you exhale, draw belly muscles in, bring the legs together, another inch, stay there, breathe in. Next, exhale, bring the legs all the way together, let the feet adjust, and we'll do that one more time, starting with knees wide. Take a breath in, exhale, draw belly muscles in, bring the legs together just an inch, stay there, inhale. As you exhale, move another inch closer, legs are halfway closed, pause, breathe in. Breathing out, move another inch closer with the legs, stay here, inhale. Next, exhale, bring the legs all the way together, let the feet adjust, and then hug the knees towards your chest and rest. Keeping knees bent, let the feet come to the floor, and we'll do a few leg lifts. These can be helpful for strengthening abdominal muscles, leg and hip muscles. So both knees are bent. Lift the right foot, bring that knee towards the chest. And start on an inhale, stretch the right leg out just 1 inch off the floor. Keep the leg straight as you lift it straight up, draw belly muscles in. Keep the leg straight as you lower it back down until it's 1 inch off the floor. As you exhale, bend the knee towards the chest, and we'll do that again. So stretch out near the floor, breathe in. Lift the leg straight up, breathe out, draw belly muscles in. Lower straight back down, inhale. Bend the knee towards the chest, exhale. So a couple more, near the floor, breathe in. Lift straight up, breathe out, draw belly muscles in. Straight back down, inhale. Bend the knee towards the chest, exhale. One more with this leg, near the floor, breathe in. Lift straight up, breathe out, draw belly muscles in. Straight back down, inhale. Bend the knee towards the chest, exhale, and let the right foot come to the floor. Check that both knees are bent, and now lift the left foot, bring that knee towards the chest. Start on an inhale, stretch the left leg out just 1 inch off the floor. Exhale, lift the leg up, draw belly muscles in, keep the belly firm. Keep the leg straight as you lower it down with an inhale. Bend the knee towards the chest, exhale. Again, near the floor, breathe in. Lift the leg, breathe out, draw belly muscles in, keep the belly firm. Straight back down, inhale. Bend the knee towards the chest, exhale. Again, near the floor, breathe in. Lift straight up, breathe out, draw belly muscles in. Straight back down, inhale. Bend the knee towards the chest, exhale. And one more, near the floor, breathe in. Lift, breathe out, draw belly muscles in. Straight back down, inhale. Bend the knee towards the chest, exhale. Now let the left foot come to the floor and rest. We'll come back to the bridge pose, this time to lift and hold the bridge. So check that there's a couple inches between your feet with the heels close towards the hips. When you're ready, press the feet into the floor, lifting the hips up towards the ceiling, holding here. With the arms, you could bring the hands together underneath the body, if that's comfortable. Interlace fingers, squeeze the hands together, draw the hands towards the feet to help open the chest, holding for a few breaths. On the inhales, try to expand the chest. On the exhales, draw belly muscles in. And especially press the heels into the floor, even squeeze the buttocks muscles to help strengthen the back of the legs as you stretch the front of the hips. And stay for one more breath in. Very slowly, on an exhale, uncurl back down. Then hug the knees towards your chest. We'll do a little movement to help stretch the low back. So hold behind both knees, keep the knees bent. As you exhale, hug the knees close towards the chest, stretch the low back. As you inhale, move the knees away just a few inches to release the stretch. Again, breathing out, knees towards the chest. Also draw belly muscles in. Inhale, move the knees away. Let belly muscles relax, lungs fill with air. Each exhale, knees towards the chest, stretch the low back. Each inhale, move the knees away, release the stretch. Keep going, flowing with your breath. The next time the knees come towards your chest, stay, hold the stretch. And from here, rolling to your right side. When you're ready, making your way up, find a comfortable way to sit. Take a few breaths. And thank you for joining me and letting me be your yoga teacher.